Welcome to Aidas Commerce Academy. Before this lecture, I have taken a simple example for explanation, means how you can made a posting through the journal entry. And I have taken a problem about straight line method. That is very important. Now I want to take an example. If suppose some part of plant or whole plant sold by company, so at that time there is a need to find out the profit or loss. How we can find out that? So we can learn in this lecture. Tata company purchased plant of rupees 1 lakh. on 1st April 2010. Then company decided to charge depreciation at the rate 10% as per SLM method, straight line method. Company wants to charge depreciation and at the end of financial year, means on 31st March. And this plant sold for rupees, this plant sold for rupees 50,000. ठीक, as on 31st March 2016. ठीक है, 16. Prepare a plant and machinery account, and I will upload this problem, means example, ठीक है ना, in that description box. I have write down here the needable information to solve the problem. ठीक, so we have to prepare as per the Tata company's requirement plant account. So this is your plant account. This is your plant account. ठीक, डेट, ठीक है, पर्टिकुलर अमाउंट, डेट, पर्टिकुलर अमाउंट, बरोबर. ये डेट है, ये अमाउंट है, ये डेट और पर्टिकुलर. ठीक है. द टाटा कंपनी परचेज प्लांट ऑफ रुपीज 1 lakh ऑन 1st April 2020. ठीक है ना. कंपनी ने अभी क्या किया, 1 लाख रुपए का प्लांट परचेस किया है. ठीक है. सो यू कैन यूज हियर रियल अकाउंट रूल, डेबिट व्हाट कम्स इन, क्रेडिट व्हाट goes out. So what happened here, Tata company purchase a plant, means the journal entry here, plant account debited to bank account. आई बात समझे. ठीक है, that is your 1 lakh. 1 lakh. ठीक है, प्लांट अकाउंट डेबिटेड, दिस इज योर प्लांट अकाउंट डेबिटेड, दिस इज योर डेबिट साइड, डेबिटेड टू बैंक अकाउंट. bank account 1 lakh 1 lakh date is here 2010, ठीक है ना, 1st April. Now the company wants to charge depreciation at the rate 10%. So we have to charge depreciation on cost, original cost as per straight line method. So when you charge 10% on 1 lakh, that is 10,000. 10,000. This is the depreciation, and we have to pass journal entry. Depreciation, it is an expense, come under that nominal account. As per the nominal, debit all losses and expense, and depreciation it come under the nominal account. ठीक है ना? So depreciation account debited to plant account. Very easy. 10,000. 10,000. ठीक है? 10,000. So what happened here? Depreciation account debited to plant account. We prepare only plant account. So plant account, it is credited by depreciation. So by depreciation account. Now we have to charge depreciation at the end of financial year as per the income tax rule. 2011 31st March. ठीक है ना? 2010, 2011, 31st March. Now we have to find out the balance. Balance 1 lakh. ठीक है? And this is carry forward to this side 1 lakh. ठीक है? Same total. ठीक है? Taken by me on credit side to find out the balance. The balance means that is 90,000. 90,000 by balance. By balance. I find out this balance carry forward on 31st March. I already write down here 2011. That's why there is no need to use 2011 again. 31st March by balance sheet 90,000. This balance carry forward to next year. So on debit side, two balance brought down 90,000. 90,000. The date is here 2011 1st April, because here 31st March. After March 1st April started to balance BD. ठीक है? Tata company sold out this plant in 2016, not in 11-12. ठीक है ना? Not in 11-12. So again I want to charge the depreciation. The journal entry about that depreciation means depreciation account to plant account. As per the straight line method, the amount of depreciation remain constant up to the estimated life. So again I want to charge depreciation on the basis depreciation account debited to plant account. So here by depreciation account, that is 10,000. 10,000. ठीक है? Date 2012 31st March. Again there is a need to find out the balance. Which side is greater? So debit side is greater than credit. And transfer this 90,000 to another side to find out the balance, that is 80,000. Can be named as by balance CD on 31st March and transfer to next year as a to balance BD 80,000. 80,000. Here is the date 2012 1st April. ठीक है. Again there is a need to charge depreciation. ठीक है ना, depreciation. Same entry I want to pass depreciation to plant account. Depreciation to plant account. So by plant account that is 10,000. It can be changed 10,000. ठीक है ना. Now date is 2013. ठीक है, 31st मार्च. ठीक है ना, 31st मार्च ख्याल में रखना, 31st मार्च. बाई बैलेंस. सो टेक अ टोटल ऑफ डेबिट साइड दैट इज 80,000. ठीक है. ट्रांसफर टू another side means your credit side, that is your 80,000 and find out the balance here, that is 70,000 by balance CD. ठीक है. And transfer this balance to next year means 2013 1st April. ठीक है. टू बैलेंस BD that is 70,000. Okay, 70,000. Suppose I want to change this sentence. Plant sold for rupees 50,000 on suppose 31st March 2014. ठीक है ना. Plant sold for rupees 50,000 on 31st March 2014. यह चेंज कर दिया मैंने. ठीक है. Now this is your financial year started on 1st April 2013 and ended on 31st March 2014. But in this year the total plant sold by this Tata company for 50,000. 50,000 में उसने बेच दिया. So we have to pass journal entry because Tata company sold the plant. ठीक है. What happened here? After selling the plant, company will get the money. So that money deposited in bank. So bank account debited. Bank account debited to plant account. ठीक है. Bank account debited to plant account, that is 50,000. आई बात समझे. 50,000 bank account debited to plant account it is credited. So plant account credited by bank account. By bank account. How much amount? That is your 50,000. 50,000. There is a need to mention the date 2014 31st March. 2014 31st March. ठीक है. The plant sold by Tata company. ठीक है ना, on 31st March. That's why I have to charge depreciation for this financial year also, because plant it is used by Tata company in this year up to 31st March. So I want to charge again depreciation for 12 months. The entry being passed depreciation to plant account. So by depreciation account, that is 10,000. 31st March. Next is there is a need to think. The Tata company sold out the plant. The Tata company get profit or loss? We have to find out, because whole plant now been sold. बेच दिया उसने. ठीक है. The balance with your company, that is 70,000. 70,000 transfer to another side 70,000 means At the end, means on 2014, Tata company have a plant of rupees 70,000. ठीक है. Against that, Tata company get 50,000 as a receipt, and company use that plant to take a production there is a need to charge depreciation, so 60,000. ठीक है ना. Our company have a plant of rupees 70,000, but company gets that 60,000, means this is a loss of 10,000. Loss of 10,000. This loss transferred on 31st March to your profit and loss account as a loss. आई बात समझे? ठीक है, और बहुत ही आसान है. अभी ये जो मैंने सिर्फ जितना चाहिए था मुझे उतना ही लिया, मैं उसमें पूरा डिटेल आपको यह प्रॉब्लम अपलोड कर दूंगा. ठीक है, बाकी ये जितना सॉल्व करने के लिए चाहिए था वो मैंने ले लिया. ठीक है, रिपीट कर देते हैं. टाटा कंपनी परचेस अ प्लांट, सो प्लांट अकाउंट डेबिटेड टू बैंक अकाउंट. यू कैन इजीली पास द रिजल्ट means made posting plant account debited, so plant account debited to bank account, that is 1 lakh. ठीक है, on 2010 1st April. Now we have to charge depreciation at the rate 10% on original cost. It is remain constant till the estimated life. Depreciation to plant account, so your plant account it is credited by depreciation account. ठीक है, after charging depreciation at the end of financial year, we have to find out the balance, that is 90,000, carry forward to next year as a opening balance. This is your closing balance, this is your opening balance. Now in next year same depreciation charge. Now when I find out the balance, that is your closing 80,000, and carry forward for next year as a opening balance. In third year, depreciation charge by my company, that is 10,000. This is your closing balance, this is your opening. But in this 2013-14, the whole plant being sold by your company for 50,000. So 50,000 comes in your means business or bank account debited to plant account. Same I posted by bank account 50,000, and in this year the plant is used till 31st March. That's why the company charged depreciation for 12 months, that is 10,000. ठीक है ना. Then we have to find out the whether the company get profit or loss, and you can easily say, oh, this is a loss. This is a loss because our opening balance, that is 70,000. Against this, company get 50,000 as a receipt, and depreciation, that 10,000. So total loss, net loss, that is your 10,000. In next lecture, we will enjoy another example with additional information. Means the now in this example here, Tata company sold the plant. ठीक है ना. On the same day, Tata company purchase another plant. So at the same time we have to find out the profit or loss for sold plant. ठीक है. At the same time we have to charge the depreciation for new plant also. So I will upload the next example in next lecture.
Subscribe my channel to learn financial accounting, cost accounting, management accounting, financial management, financial derivatives, economics, and for other commerce subject at your home. For that, press a bell icon for notification. Post your doubts and queries in comment box. Thank you.